Now this is our Power BI dashboard and our data is taken from cms.gov, which are the synthetic claims from 2008 to 2010. Our main objective is to analyze the claims data for a specific period of time. The first view is our beneficiary view, which provides information of the beneficiary by year and their prevailing chronic conditions. Now here we have our count of beneficiary in 2008, 9 and 10. Here we can see there is a decrease of around 1.5% every year. When it comes to beneficiary by gender, we have 44.7% are male and 55.3% are female. Now let's look at beneficiary by race. When I click over here, we can see the reduction of our beneficiary. Now around 90% of the reduction are from the white people. Now let's look at beneficiary by disease. Whenever I hover over any disease, see we have the percentage contribution of our states: California, Florida, Texas and New York. But in case of cancer, see my Florida actually takes over California and New York takes over Texas. When I go for beneficiary by age group, we have around 95.27% are from senior category and 4.73% are from adult category. Now adult category are between 19 to 59 of age. When I click here, see there is a sudden increase in depression. Now let's go to our inpatient claims. As we can see, the claim per beneficiary by year and gender, it's continuously reducing year by year. There is around 33.3% decrease from 2008 to 2010. Now let's look at the top 5 diseases. See, whenever I click on pneumonia, the average LOS days is around 5 and the average claim amount is around 6.97k. But when I click over rehabilitation, see the average LOS increases to 13 days and the average claim amount increases to 15.73k. Now let's look at total versus average claim amount. Let's look at overall claim. See, as we can see, the overall average claim amount trended up 6.28%, while the total claim amount decreases to 46.21% between 2008 to 2010. Similar trends observed in case of male and female. Now let's go to our outpatient claims. We can see here it's pretty much similar to our inpatient claims, but our claims per beneficiary is much more higher. It's around 9.1 and the average claim is around 268. Now in our reimbursement amount, here we can see the ranking of each state year by year with respect to reimbursement amount. Now if you want, we could provide you the dashboard to see it for yourself and explore the functionality of this dashboard.